What is going on, YouTube? Check it out. I'm making banana nut bread. I already mixed all the ingredients. So here's the batter I made. I only put 3 bananas because that's all I had left. And like, if you have bananas and they're going old and they're already getting black, this is a really good to use them. This is something really good to use them for. You put the black banana in there, bro. So it's really, really good. If you have old bananas, you use them to mix them in here. It's really awesome. Again, I don't recall all the ingredients because I don't have it right here in front of me. But I want to say, I kind of have it memorized. So, okay, it was half a cup of butter, one more time. Half a cup of sour cream. 2 eggs. 1.5 cup, I forgot the flour. 1.5 cup. 1.5 a cup of flour. Walnuts. As many bananas as you want. As many vanilla extract as you want, I guess. A teaspoon of baking soda. Not baking powder, baking soda. I got that baking soda. I got that baking soda. Then you mix it all in this pot right here, right? So if you want to butter up the pan, you got to butter up the pan. I already buttered it up a little bit. But if you want to butter up the pan, you just get some, like a little paper towel. Butter up the edges, you know, so it won't stick, you know, so it won't stick. People have been telling me to do cooking stuff. I'm too lazy to get my camera. I'm doing this straight off my iPhone right now. And then you gotta preheat the oven to 350. Here we go, look. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. So I made one the other day. I'm doing a redemption right here. I'm like, all right, I told my wife, I'm gonna make a better one. I'm gonna make it better. I put more cream cheese this time. I don't know what the cream cheese does, but hopefully it makes it more moist, or I don't know. We'll figure it out, bro. We'll figure this out together, everybody. So let me, I'm gonna pop this bad boy in the oven. And then we'll be back in an hour. It says to do it for an hour. Last time what I did was I let it cook for about 30 minutes, and then I just shut the oven off and let it cook in there. I don't know if that helped it from getting like too hard, but I don't know, maybe this time I'll let it go the whole hour. So we'll be back in an hour. But YouTube time, like maybe like 2 minutes. But we'll be back. All right, here we go. We're back. Banana nut bread. I'll freaking put I'll put the full recipe in the description because I don't remember it off the top of my head. We're gonna throw it in there for about an hour, it says. Like I said, it's hot, mamas. Say bye. Peace out. Peace out. So it's been about maybe like 15, maybe 20 minutes now. Check how it's looking. Ooh, it's looking kind of white because I think because of the hella cream cheese I put, but looking pretty good. All right, here we go. It's probably about ready now. I've been letting it sit in there for a while. I just did a video about making Mexican rice. This is the video about banana nuts in your bread. Oh my God. Oh my God, take a look. Look. Oh my God, look at it. Oh my Jesus. Banana nut bread. All right, the best way to eat this is just straight warm out the oven. Look at it, still steaming. Oh my God. Nuts, banana. Someone was calling me. In the description, I put the recipe. I added my own shit. And you guys for yourselves, make your own and let me know how it turns out. Banana nut bread. Look at that. Just look. Oh. It